Hey guys, it's Anna. Welcome and Merry Christmas and welcome to Yule Ball Box Swap 2024. I am so happy I get to participate, I believe, for the third year in a row in this incredible Yule Ball Box Swap. This swap is hosted by Melissa from Geeking Out with 𝗲𝗍 and Christian from 𝗵𝘆𝗀𝗃𝗀. They are two incredible humans. There's also a bunch of channels that participate year after year, some new, some old, so definitely check them out down below. Everyone's channel will be listed. Show them some love. Excited to open up my box. I was actually waiting pretty much to the last minute because I've been so sick, but today is the day. My box is here. It is beautifully wrapped and I cannot wait to open it and see what I have here. The requirements for this box was 1 candle, 1 ornament, 1 pin, I'm looking at the list over here, and 1 house related item. And of course, if you wanted to put something extra, you could, but it's totally not necessary and it's totally up to each individual person if they wanted to do that. And the minimum value of your box had to be $100 before shipping. And all the videos go up on Christmas Day. So it's so exciting. It's like a Christmas morning with beautiful unboxings all across YouTube. We also received a questionnaire that went in pretty great detail about our person and things that they like to collect, some of their favorite colors, characters, if they like candy, if they have allergies, sizes in certain items, and so on. The questionnaire was definitely very helpful. It helped me to put my box together for my person. I hope he enjoyed his box. If you want to see that video, it is down below. It's gonna be the first link to his YouTube channel, so check it out. I can't wait to see the video myself and see what he thought of my box. But anyways, without further ado, let's open this box. I see the name and it says Sammy, so I can't wait to get inside. But anyways, without further ado, let's get into my beautiful box. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up because otherwise we're gonna be on camera here for 17 hours. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, the box is open. It looks like this. We have a lot of things in here. I'm so excited to open it up. I like how this is cut up like little confetti. I do see a card on top, so let me open that first. Okay, so this is the card. This is the envelope actually, and it says Anna, and it has a few Harry Potter things on it, and then I think it says sorry for the bad drawings. No, this is actually really great. I would not even be able to do that, and I cannot write my name this beautiful, so thank you. This is very pretty and so creative. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Wow, this is a beautiful card. Okay, so the card reads, Anna, happy Yule Box Swap Day. I had so much fun shopping for you. I'm saddened by the candle getting a little bit messed up, but I worked my magic to fix up the box. It's just a little weary. LOL. I hope you have a magical unboxing. Love, Sammy. Just Sammy things. Thank you so much, Sammy. And now I officially know who my person is. Love the card. It is beautiful and absolutely no worries about the candle. Let's dig in and see what we have in here. So I love that everything is like labeled, and I'm not creative like that, so I never do things like that because I'm so boring. But this says a place for your gold and some extra goodies inside. So this is what we have. Let's open it up. Okay, oh, there's like, how many characters are inside? Oh my goodness. They're all in here. They're all in here. Okay, so we have a little piggy bank, and this is so cute. I love that. Saving for the trolley. And it came with all of these. Okay, so we have this little package, and it says a set of 4 because 4 is better than 1. Pins. So it's a set of 4. So cute. Let's open this up. They're awesome. These are really cute pins. And 4, so cute. Thank you. this one. This is heavy. It says, a place to keep your notes and show your pride. All right. I love journals. And this is, wow. This is stunning. Very good quality paper. I love this. Thank you so very much. This is going to be used as soon as the new year is here. And we have more of these little things. Oh, actually a lot more. There's so many of them. I love it. Okay, let's see. So we're gonna open up this one, and it says, something nice for you to smell with a fun surprise once it melts. P.S. I hope the glitter and the gold I added makes up for the melted wax on the box. All right, I am sure it's perfect. Oh, that is okay. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. It is perfect. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That smells, I don't know what that smells like, but it smells so good. 𝗕𝗲𝗿𝗃 are incredible candles. Okay, looks like we have our last item here. We got some bubble wrap. And we have more of this. I'm making a mess, but I don't even care because it's Christmas. It's Christmas, it's the holidays. Okay, so here is our last box, and it says, the home everyone wants to live in. Very interesting. Wow, this is really cool. This is so cool. All right, let's open it up. I'm so excited to see it. Oh, wow, it's really big. It's a huge ornament. Oh my gosh, this is really cool. I really love this. Look at that. Awesome. This was such a fun box. I'm looking at everything here. Thank you so much, Sammy, for putting this incredible box. Definitely check out Sammy's channel. It's called Just Sammy Things. I'll have the links to her channel down below. Go show her some support and see what she got in her Yule Ball Box Swap. Again, big thank you to Melissa from Geeking Out with 𝗲𝗲 and Christian from McDorks for putting this incredible box swap together. I'm looking forward to doing many more of these in the future, so definitely always include me. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, happy and healthy new year to all of you. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel throughout the years. I love you all so much. Thank you so much for coming and watching this Yule Ball Box Swap. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the new year.